dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
President Bola Tinubu said that reintroducing old national anthem was priority for him. But we have drama as two Labour Party chairmen attend INEC stakeholders meeting. But guys, before we commence fully, welcome back to Reality Latest, your home of news and politics. Thank you so much for joining us on today's news. If today is your first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. So guys, let's proceed with the news. President Bola Tinubu says that returning the old national anthem was always a priority for him. The president made this known during a meeting with the leadership of the Area Consultative Forum at the Presidential Villa in Abuja on Thursday. He said that he wants to allude to something that happened yesterday, that the change of national anthem, Nigeria we hate thee. That some people say okay, some say what? That's his priority. He said yes, it is his priority, that he agreed with the National Assembly that if they make law, he has to obey that law or they will disagree openly and close the chapter. President Bola Tinubu said that Nigeria diversity should be protected and celebrated, adding that the country population should not be seen as burden. But the question of diversity, he said, who gave us the name Nigeria? That is it not Britain or somewhere? That have we changed our name, that we are Nigerians. So our passport shows that as long as we are Nigerians and one family, that we remain and protect our diversity and love one another as brothers and sisters, that it is God Almighty that puts us in that particular place and makes us a member of that family. And they have no control over it. That when he came begging for votes, he didn't say vote for me as a Yoruba man. He said that vote for me as Bola Tinubu. And people, you guys can remember that in 2022, President Bola Tinubu had said he would bring back the first national anthem if he has his way. So on May 29, he enacted the legislation that returned the old national anthem themed Nigeria we hate thee. Now so many persons don't call the attacker. They ask him, say, is that the problem of this country? That we have so many things at hand and he's trying to bring back the old national anthem. That is not the priority of Nigeria right now. A lot of people are suffering. That only him and his government will learn it because they are not ready to learn anything. They say President Bola Tinubu they do it in their mind. That priority for him. Aren't he supposed to be serving the nation, or is it the other way around? The sooner we all realize the country is not like his handsets, he can do whatever thing he likes, the better for us. Baba no send us. At least his priority should be reduction of high price of foodstuff. There is hunger in the land. A cup of garri is now 200, pint of garri is 3,700. Some parts are selling 4,000. A cup of local rice is 300. How do we want the poor masses to survive? How President Bola Tinubu want to make the masses survive? Not even the citizens' well-being. This is why he needed not to become the president. Now, wait till a lot of people they talk. Because they say what he likes doing most is to suffocate Nigerians. But make it take a easy sympathize with the masses. Hunger did the land. He should bring down the old price of fuel. That's supposed to be his priority. It is just a tool to distract the people from 1 year of his incompetency in government. Just imagine. The economy and the way things are in this country are totally bad. How will the old national anthem they brought back solve the problem of Nigeria? How? The economy is in shambles. Naira is so worthless now. Inflation has gone through the roof. And his priority is just to bring back the old national anthem. Omo, the price of grocery have tripled and it was still not enough. And his priority is a song. Just imagine. He has to reduce the price of fuel because that is what is affecting the price of foodstuff in the market. My people, everybody priority they different. But to make President Bola Tinubu make his priority no affect other people negatively. Now there, people go vex for him. If another president enter, I'm very sure that they will bring back the one they have removed. This is to show that President Bola Tinubu is there for himself, not for the people. He was probably traumatized as a kid when the anthem was changed then. And he never got over it. So it is his priority. The people's priority doesn't matter. Besides, it is his turn. And he got there with his own money. he gets to do whatever thing that pleases him. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts. Your contributions, opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Let's keep the conversation live in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying with us. Moving on to the next one. The crisis rocking the Edo State chapter of the Labour Party assumed a new dimension on Friday as two fractional chairmen attended the stakeholders meeting organized by the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC). There was a report that the meeting was organized for political parties and security agencies ahead of the September 21st, 2024 governorship election in the state. So the two Labour fractional chairmen that attended the meeting are Mrs. Elizabeth Ative and Kelly Ogboloi. There was a report that Elizabeth Ative is the head of the 17-man caretaker committee loyal to Julius Abure, the national chairman of the party, while Kelly Ogboloi is loyal to the governorship candidate of the party, Barrister Olumide Akpata. The Kelly-led state executive had last Friday ratified the purported suspension of Julius Abure as the national chairman of the party by his ward executive in Aro Uromi Eastern North local government area. In retaliation, the Abure-led Labour Party national leadership sacked the Kelly-led state executive and inaugurated a 17-man caretaker committee led by Mrs. Elizabeth Ative. So, Abure opined that the dissolution of the Kelly-led executive was occasioned by the expiration of his tenure in April 2024. The stakeholders meeting was chaired by the chairman of INEC, Prof. Mahmood Yakub, and other top management staff of the commission from Abuja in the state. Elizabeth, while introducing herself, said that she is Right Honorable Elizabeth. By God's grace, she is the youngest and the latest chairman in town, the chairman of Labour Party Edo State. Also introducing himself, Kelly said that he is Comrade Kelly Ogboloi, the chairman of Labour Party Edo State. My people did development through the hall into hysterical laughter. Don't be small matter. People they wonder say, where did they happen? This one introduced himself as chairman. Another person introduced himself as chairman. Where did they happen? My people, nobody wants step down for each other. According to what they talk, they say Kelly tenure don't expire. So that was why they appointed a new person. But Kelly say lie because he's loyal to the governor. That's Olumide Akpata. And meanwhile, Elizabeth is loyal to Julius Abure. They don't split Labour Party into two. When election don't they reach, may they settle this crisis because it go throw a lot of people off balance. Many people go deviate from Labour Party, go vote for another party. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts. Your contributions, opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to with us. We do appreciate. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your winners. Stay safe, guys. Bye.